how to add or remove performance profile to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit button. Then tap on edit. And then we go down to the available buttons section. Now swipe across until you can find performance profile. Tap on it and it will be added to your quick settings panel. Then tap on done and then tap on done again. And finally tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Now swipe down at the top to open up quick settings panel. And in here you can tap on performance profile to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. To remove it from the panel, tap on the pencil icon, then tap on edit. Now in here we scroll down and tap on the remove button to remove performance profile. Then tap on done and then tap on done again to save the changes. And that's it. Finally tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.